Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen you guys, Mel Felion was invited to ENCA to do an interview. She's done many interviews since she has been back from America, and I have not thought that any of these interviews would be interesting because I know that she's not going to tell the truth and she's not going to take any kind of accountability. And I was wondering why all of these media houses are interested in what Melanie Felion has to say. Now, ENCA invited her and she walked out of an interview because apparently they started asking her tough questions. Okay. They do say that they will be releasing an interview. I think it took place partly. Okay. And then when the questions got tough, she just stood up and walked away. Now, you guys, listen, I'm conflicted because I'm like, part of me is curious to know what questions is she running away from? What questions were they asking at ENCA that made her run? But at the same time, I'm also feeling like, but why our ENCA are interested in Melanie and Pete Felion with everything that is happening in the country? Really, honestly, now, okay, the way that they left South Africa, should they be called to such big media houses to do interviews for what? For the what? You know? So there's a part of me that feels like, why did they even invite her? At this point, nobody should be listening to anything that Melanie and Pete Viljoen have to say. Okay. But, okay, guys, it got tough for her. And you know how entitled she is. We watched her on ultimate girls trip. You know how entitled she is. She thinks she should be treated like a princess even when she is like a criminal over there by America. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much. Goodbye.